Hello friends, in this session I will show you how to integrate mail or to send mail from your ASP.NET Core application. So we will show you how to use emails, okay, email sending, okay. So for that we will use dependency called Mailkit, okay. So you can see we have installed Mailkit here. Okay, sorry, we are searching in common. We have included it into business. Okay, so we have Mailkit. Okay, so this is the .NET Core Mailkit. Okay, version 2.0.3. We are using this one, this library. Okay, to send mail from our .NET Core application. Okay, so first we have to install that library. Okay, then what we have to do, we have to create some models. Okay, so for that we have created mail request, and in mail request we have in two email subject body, and if you have attachments then iForm file list, and then we have email setting. Okay, mail, display name, password, host and port. Okay, now what we did, now we created the service, mail service. Okay, so we have created the mail service interface. Okay, send mail. Okay, with the model mail request. Okay, so mail request will have two email subject body and attachments. Okay, now what we did, now we did implementation for the same mail service. Okay, so you can see what we have did. Okay, so we have imported the Mailkit and Mailkit security. We have implemented these three library here, but this is not of use this time. Okay, so you can see we have imported the inherited the email service here to this mail service, and we have here settings. Okay, and then we have here constructor, and we have initialized the mail setting. Okay, now we have the method here, send email as async, and we have here request, so new mind message. Okay, and email sender, we will set all this. Okay, email to mail subject, and then we have a body builder. Okay, to create the body for the message. Well, if there is attachments, you can have a here loop for each files. Okay, and then you can create the memory stream, and you can attach to the builder. Okay, using this, and then you will have builder body here returned with email body. Okay, inside the email body, and then we have the here connections using HTTP SMTP client is equal to new SMTP. Okay, and we have here certification validation callback set to true, and we have check certification revocation false, and then we will use the async type. Then we will have await here client connect async with host name and port number. The host name and port number are coming from your mail settings. Okay, and then this mail settings will be initialized from your application JSON, application settings JSON. Okay, so what we have done here in application settings JSON, we have here mail settings. We will read basically this JSON, and here we have mail ID, display name and password, and host SMTP Gmail if you are using the Gmail, then port number. Okay, now in mail service we have connection here. We will connect this and this port by default SSL false. Okay, and then we have authentication here with email and password, and then we will send that email what we have created up, and then after we will disconnect the connection. Okay, is there any error? Then you can do that. Okay, if you are using the SMTP, then make sure that you have to turn on Less Secure app from your Gmail. Okay, and also you have to enable this one, turn on this one, display unlock captcha. Okay, then only you will get the email from your API. Okay, and then after what we did, we have initialized here in startup.cs. Okay, we have registered all that mail settings. Okay, so you can see services configure, we have mail settings, and this is the application app settings JSON key, and then here you have the service which we have created. So we have mapped them, and then where we have used, you can see we have used in the this service auth service. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, in this we have used this one email service, and here we have created this service, and then we have used them inside our constructor to initialize them. Okay, and then we have used them. Let's suppose we are to send some mail. Then what we have did, we have created the new mail request from our model, and then if we have some URL, then we have some body here in HTML format. Okay, you can do like the HTML here, and then you have to make all the mail service and send async and send your request what you have created mail request. Okay, so this is the simplest way to send your mail using the Mailkit. Okay, in ASP.NET Core. Okay, thank you for watching.